You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
There are policies and there are laws in the land which are already on the books. The only thing is to be enforced. For example, what we are seeing is abuse of the media, and which anybody thinks that you can get up in the morning, get a microphone in your mouth and a camera with a phone, and you start trashing anybody. They've been doing that to everybody. We saw it to President Museveni, attacking him for no reason. Recently, they were attacking the Kabaka of Buganda. You know, when people are quiet and they don't respond, someone feels that he has a right to come up and abuse and insult people. So I don't think there is a war. I think there is a laxity in reinforcing the law. The laws are there. If you look at the UCC Act, Uganda Communication Commission Act, the Broadcasting Act, they have already curtailed what to say. Media Council, and everybody knows it. But you're gonna get anytime, any moment, someone comes up and start coming up with things that you can't even speak, because the media has children, has elderly. This is the African culture. Even in Western culture, where they're liberal, they even say that this is rated R, this is rated like this. They even warn you on the news that what we're going to say is of this, even showing you pictures of war. So I think I think if they enforce the laws that we have already, they are punitive enough to really root out people. Like if someone says something that has no, or malicing somebody, and you know, the penalties are there. Either withdraw the license or cause them to pay heavily. So I think what Monitor newspaper is advocating is not the solution. The solution is the people of Uganda to understand that you cannot just wake up in the morning and abuse with no consequence. Or you even publish something which is a lie. And when people keep quiet, it's not because they can't fight back. It's simply because they have other things to do until it reaches a stage whereby you say, no, enough is enough. This cannot go on. So I think that is where I look at the our reinforcers to really don't wait for someone to complain. Yeah, because other people will not complain. Like the Kabaka will not drive to a police station and start complaining that someone is attacking my name. It will be funny, President Museveni, to drive his convoy